So in daily, it's around its opening area. It did fill the daily FVG, but it was yesterday. 4 hour looks bearish. This was a strong bearish candle. In the morning, we planned to sell. So yeah, it uh, went for the sells. Let's see what happened. In 4 hour, it's in the 4 hour FVG. The candle is strong, might continue for the higher side. Okay, so it is bullish. Okay, it is bullish and bullish again. Let's see for the news. So we had the plan of 15-minute order block, which actually did not form. That's why I skipped, which eventually was formed. We might have got one trade over here and that might have stopped out, but we were right about the direction. Right now we are bullish. But there is no retracement. I need a 5 minute. This is where it gave the breakout structure. So I need a 5 minute FVG. If it okay, so 5 minute FVG, this one, and 1 minute breakout structure. 5 FVG plus 1 minute breakout structure. Okay, we won't trade euro. Yes, there is no move. AUD around its opening price doesn't look good. 4 hour 4 hour is overall trend is bullish, but in 4 hour it looks like it's bearish. It was a replacement. This was a sideways candle. It can continue for the downside. Let's see 1 hour. Okay, give a breakout structure. This candle, it's around its opening price, so displacement is there. It is in the fair value gap. If I had to, then I will look for buys but I'll go with half quantity because it's around its opening price. Yes, we are with the trend. That is the breakout structure. 5 minute. Nah, it's not looking good. It is in a 5 minute order block. Okay. We also have a 5 minute, 15 minute swing. So okay, this we have the range. We can trade off. So 3 minute breakout of this zone, and we will go half quantity. AUD 3 minute breakout structure, half quantity. GPY is bullish. Okay, still bullish. Okay, so hardly any retracement from the morning. It is in the order block, so we can trade this one. I don't like the closing of the candle. Okay, Strength for cells is there. It is in the 15-minute FVG, but I don't like the candle closing this one. So I need a 3-minute break of structure if I'm buying. I'm not sure about GPI. Let me check the pair first. We don't have too much time. Okay, around its opening, it is bullish. Hardly anything over here. Swept the daily lows. Okay. So 4 hour it is in a range. 1 hour it is in the range. I expect it to continue for the downside, but the current trend is holding for the upside. And the candle is also strong. What can I do? It is sideways. The whole day it has been sideways, so I'm not sure where. Really, this was alright. The breakdown was not that bad. From here, before the London, after the Asia session, it is almost in a downtrend. The current candle looks bullish, and in 30 minutes, it's in the fair value gap. But the candle, if it retraces from here, then we can look for sells. But okay, it will make a IFVG in 15 minutes. That's what we will trade. So we are bullish in gold. If it makes a 15-minute FEG, that what we want is 15-minute FEG, 1 minute break of structure, and we will look for buys. And NQ, okay, it's bullish. This is a clean trend. That's what I like. Bullish. It was sideways for 8 hours, and now it's continuing for 1 hour. Gave a break of structure, retested the order block, and now it can go continue for the higher side. And picture perfect in 15 minutes also. Retested the order block, and the candle is also looking amazing. So what we want is we have few swings which we can trade off. Doesn't look like this will close, so we have this swing in 5 minutes. If it's going down, that's a good thing. That's a good manipulation. We have a 5 minute swing, so I want. Okay, this is also better. 3 minute breakout structure, and I can enter. 1 minute or 3 minute candle closing above this swing with volume, then we can enter. 5 minutes, the problem is it can close, but in first 2 minutes, and the other 2-3 minutes it can close somewhere around here. So 3 minute breakout structure or 1 minute closing above this level, both are fine. And JPY, what were we doing? So 4 hour, it is a retracement. The trend is bullish, no doubt. It is bullish. 1 hour, it is giving a breakdown, but it can tap into the fair value gap of 4 hour over here somewhere. Where it is. Okay, it will tap the 4 hour. That's a good thing. So we can trade that. Nice. That would be a good manipulation. Then we need a JPY 4 hour FVG and 3 minute break structure. So that's the plan. Let's see. So 1 minute breakout structure in gold, and I'll enter. And same 1 minute breakout structure in AUD. It has already given the breakout that we wanted. So I need a breakout structure in this zone, and I can enter in AUD also. And there is still time in JP USD US 100. Okay, so we will get a trade in gold. Session is about to open. Still not the breakout structure. So I'm in gold. Okay, JPY is also looking good. AUD is also looking good. Nope, it's reversing. Okay, and Q. Okay, so I'm in gold and NQ. I might get a trade in AUD where I will go half quantity somewhere here. Okay, I got stopped out in gold. Only one open position. I will get an entry in AUD. I will take it, but in half quantity. Okay, so done with the three trades. We have two open position. This one might be ISL, but we had to take one. I would have preferred. Okay, so I might take half quantity in JPY because it's in the zone what we wanted. We got this one first, that's why I took AUD. I'll get stopped out in AUD. Okay, so 3 minute breakout structure in JPY, but it is going without a retracement. Fine, let's we are done with it. These are the two trades. Uh, Technically, we will also get a trade in. Yeah, here it is in the fair value gap. 1 minute breakout structure, and one can enter over here. But fine, we are done with it. And this one we wanted a 3 minute breakout structure. It's going without a retracement. I can enter in this fair value gap, but fine, we are done. This is our last trade. Let's see what happens. So I got stopped out in gold, NQ, and as well as AUD. Okay, we lost 6 in AUD, 22 in gold, and 20 in US 100. and we are down more than 6%. It isn't looking good, but we'll just follow our plans and see what happens. Fine, I'll see you tomorrow.